What up, boys? It's your brother Scott Barnes here. Got another video for you, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a major mustache trim. Now, with the little spring that we have left, we're gonna go full throttle into summer, and the mustache gets a little overwhelming in the heat. Not only that, but as I do jiu-jitsu and I start working out, a lot of the sweat really resides in the mustache. So I want to kind of clean that up so that way in the summertime and as I work out and train jiu-jitsu, a lot of my mustache won't get into my mouth. Now, traditionally, I like to give a little bit of space and gap right here, but I've kind of had a little accident. I was lighting a pipe and my mustache caught a little bit of the afterburn. So what I want to do is I want to take my whirly twirly brush, and then I'm gonna start cutting. And what this time, I've been doing a kind of like a reversed U shape. And in this one, I wanna do kind of the opposite. I wanna keep it straight across, and then I'm gonna taper off the edges. And we're really gonna trim up these upper hairs, because a lot of these hairs right now, I mean, these guys are super long. So let's trim these up and let's start going. So I'm gonna start on the outside here. All right, let's stop right there. And I want to address a couple things for you guys. That we have a couple layers going on in our mustache. So we have a layer on top, depending on how thick your mustache is. And then we have a layer on the bottom. And we need to work out the angle of our scissors when we're cutting our mustache. So I want this to be the shortest point of my mustache and then kind of taper it off long. But I mean, we really have taken a lot off. So let's just kind of keep trimming and just make sure we can get everything nice and even. Looks like we're pretty much there. I did a little bit more of the taper on the sides here. But one last thing I want to go over, remember I was talking earlier about the angle? The last thing I want to do is I've been cutting like this and, kind of angling it out. The last thing I want to do on the edge right here, so it's just not, a straight cut, kind of like the bowl cut, I want to angle my scissors up and down vertically. And I'm just going to kind of do a little blending motion, if you will, across the stash, okay? So we're going to get that done and we should be complete. So let's rock and roll. And I think that's it. Not too bad, it wasn't too long of a cut, but my main thing that I wanted to show you guys, obviously, the angle of your scissors and also the layers of your mustache. So when you're kind of, having a big mustache, when you're kind of coming down and making everything look good, kind of come on in and raise up your mustache hair, and you can see how some may lay or curl into your lip. And so those are the ones you want to clean up. So like sometimes you'll get these right here and they're all the way under and you just want to kind of clean it up a little bit. So definitely when you finish clipping your mustache, get a comb out of some sort and brush it where you want your mustache to lay. And then you'll kind of see some holes like right here, or you'll see some ones that you missed. So I got these little areas right here and we're gonna go back to the up and down. I'm just gonna kind of lift that up and then that way it blends in to the rest of the mustache. And right now, as you guys can see as I'm talking naturally, that the top of my mustache is meeting right up with my upper lip. So that way as I do close, there's still a little bit of lip there, but at the same time, I can close my mouth and we still got full mustache. So we're just gonna keep it at that. Let's put in some product. What do you guys say? Now today we're gonna be using Campfire from Artius Man. We're gonna be using and putting some of this in my mustache. All right, so I got my mustache wax all set on my fingers. If you guys want to, go check out one of my styling mustache videos, but just like we always do, we're gonna go on top, go to the sides, then we'll pinch off from the bottom, which we don't have too much of the bottom because we trimmed up the mustache. Because that's what we want. We want the mustache to lay and stay. And I'm telling you, man, overall, I think I did a pretty kick butt job. Got a nice little bit of a handlebar. We went right to the lip, and we didn't do too much damage where it looks like I cut everything off. So just make sure to keep it slow, smooth, and small so you're not hacking away, but at the same time, make sure you're doing proper cuts. We're keeping notion of where the scissors are at, where our hairs are laying. That way we can have a nice, smooth, cohesive look of our mustache, let alone our beard. So with that being said, like always, like and subscribe. If you guys can, go check out my Instagram account. I'm gonna be starting to post some new content for this channel too as well, because we might be starting to go into a new direction with the channel, all right? So like always, guys, like and subscribe. Love you like always. See you guys on that flip side. See ya!